Welcome to the City of Angels, where dreams come alive, and every corner is infused with the glitz and glamour of Hollywood. Los Angeles, a melting pot of cultures and creativity, is not just a city, it's an experience waiting to be explored. Join us as we unveil the top 10 places that make Los Angeles a travel destination like no other. Hollywood Walk of Fame. Begin your journey at the iconic Hollywood Walk of Fame, where the stars beneath your feet represent the legends of the entertainment industry. Stroll along Hollywood Boulevard, soak in the historic TCL Chinese Theatre, and feel the pulse of the city as you're surrounded by the names of your favorite actors and musicians. Santa Monica Pier. Head west to the Santa Monica Pier, a vibrant and nostalgic landmark that combines amusement park fun with breathtaking ocean views. From the iconic Ferris wheel to the lively atmosphere of Pacific Park, Santa Monica Pier is the perfect blend of classic charm and coastal beauty. Venice Beach. Just south of Santa Monica, discover the eclectic energy of Venice Beach. Known for its bohemian spirit, the Venice Boardwalk is a sensory delight with street performers, quirky shops, and the famous Muscle Beach. Rent a bike and cruise along the iconic Venice canals for a unique and picturesque experience. The Getty Center. Immerse yourself in art and architecture at the Getty Center. Perched on a hilltop, this cultural gem offers stunning views of Los Angeles along with an impressive collection of European paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts. The meticulously manicured gardens add to the tranquility of this world-class museum. Griffith Observatory. For a celestial experience, head to the Griffith Observatory. Perched in Griffith Park, this iconic landmark provides panoramic views of the city and a chance to explore the wonders of the universe. Don't miss the chance to hike up to the Hollywood sign for an unforgettable photo opportunity. Los Angeles County Museum of Art, LACMA. Delve into the world of art at the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, LACMA. Home to a diverse collection spanning thousands of years, LACMA is the largest art museum in the West. The famous urban light installation at the entrance is a must-see, especially when it lights up the night. Downtown LA Arts District. Witness the revitalization of downtown LA's Arts District, a vibrant neighborhood where creativity knows no bounds. Explore murals, galleries, and trendy boutiques as you soak in the urban culture. Don't forget to indulge in the diverse culinary scene with artisanal cafes and world-class restaurants. The Original Farmers Market. Experience the flavors of Los Angeles at the Original Farmers Market. Since 1934, this iconic market has been a culinary haven, offering a diverse array of fresh produce, gourmet foods, and international cuisines. It's a paradise for food enthusiasts and a perfect spot to savor the city's gastronomic delights. Rodeo Drive. Indulge in luxury shopping on Rodeo Drive, where world-renowned fashion houses and designer boutiques line the palm tree-filled streets. Even if you're not in the mood for high-end shopping, a leisurely stroll down Rodeo Drive provides a glimpse into the glamorous lifestyle of Beverly Hills. LA beaches, Malibu and Manhattan Beach. End your journey at the pristine beaches of Los Angeles. Malibu offers a relaxed coastal atmosphere with its famous surf spots and stunning sunsets. Alternatively, venture to Manhattan Beach for a quintessential Californian beach experience, complete with a picturesque pier and a laid-back seaside community. Los Angeles is a city that captivates with its diversity, creativity, and endless possibilities. Whether you're drawn to the glamour of Hollywood, the artistic vibe of the city's cultural institutions, or the laid-back charm of its beaches, Los Angeles offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave you enchanted. Pack your bags and embark on a journey to discover the magic of the City of Angels, where every moment is a story waiting to be told.